What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video. I should probably do that cheesy Ty Lopez here in my garage video, but here I am today. You guys saw the thumbnail. I'm finally pushing out some Ron's Rides merch. I had posted a video or a live stream for better term of use on whether I should, make some Ron's Rides merch and if you guys would be interested in. I had a couple of people who were very interested before, and I was like, I never thought of it that way. Nobody really wanted to do merch for me. So some people did show some interest, so I said, why not? I'll do some merch. So here we are today. We'll have some new Ron's Rides merch that I want to present to you guys. Now, this is not an ad, but I'm using a third party here to host the website and to provide the merchandise for you guys. I went with Teespring. You guys are wondering, well, you develop websites for a living, right? Yes, I do, but I do not have much experience with e-commerce websites. All my websites are traffic-based. So when it comes to purchasing, using credit cards or bank or PayPal or anything like that, I have no experience in that, so I did not want to spend a lot of time trying to research that and do all this stuff for the merchandise. So I just wanted to make something simple and easy and trusted for you guys that you would feel safe using. But as you can see, I have my storefront here, so you can see everything that I offer: long sleeve shirts, short sleeve shirts, tank tops, hoodies, and even a sticker. Now, all the prices are based off of what Teespring offers. So all of the materials that I picked are set at this price, and these aren't even the highest quality materials. That gets a little bit more expensive. I don't want you guys breaking any kind of bank, but this is the lowest price I could go with to use Teespring. So these prices are set how they are. I didn't set any of the prices for any of the products here. But as you can see with the long sleeve, it does not come in all of the colors as you see on the t-shirts. The t-shirts come in 5 colors. The long sleeve comes in white and it comes in black. So you can do your small, you can do medium, large, XL, 2XL, 3XL, 4XL, all that stuff. So definitely any kind of size you need, you can go with for the long sleeve. And then for the t-shirts, as I mentioned, you have 5 different colors. You have the orange, pink, black, red, and white. So you do have all those colors for the short sleeve. And the shirts are unisex, so guys or girls can wear them. I know I have a few ladies in the audience for my subscribers, so I wanted to try to cater to everybody here. You also have tank tops, but they only come in 2 colors as well. You have white and black. Now for the tank tops, you have small, medium, large, XL, and 2XL, and it is also unisex, so everybody can fit in those as well. You also have the classic pullover hoodies for anybody who are in colder climates. Still over there in Europe, you guys are still dealing with a little bit colder climate. You do have that in white and black, so you have your basic colors there, but they come in all sizes as well, going very large. So depending on what you need, they got you covered. And then I figured if not everybody wants merch or clothing or anything like that, you can just spend a little bit of money and get a Ron's Rides sticker if you want to support the channel and support what I'm trying to do. So they have 2 different sizes, 3.6 by 5 and 5 by 7. So you can get the stickers with a white background, a black background, or a pink background. So you do have a couple of colors there. Again, with it being, male and female audience, why not provide a couple different colors for you guys? So you can get the stickers as well. But overall, this is pretty basic. I just wanted to start off with a few things. I'm not exactly sure how well this is going to work out if you guys are super interested, but we'll see. I figured I'd put something on there that meant something to me, and that's my channel intro, which everybody knows me by and everybody likes. So I figured I'd do that. I can start off with this and then add more stuff as it goes too. Now, I definitely want to add maybe some catchphrases like "What's good, guys?" or stuff like that you see on the channel all the time, or maybe stuff related to the content that I post. But for right now, this is what I have, and hopefully you guys enjoy it, and hopefully it's not too expensive for you guys. Like I said, with a lot of these, this is the best I could do as far as price. If I were to go up in price, it would give me more colors and like the tank tops and hoodies, but I wanted to stay in a lower amount of price range for you guys. And if that meant getting the basic colors, I'm okay with that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the merch that you see. I will start to wear some of them in my videos as well. I gotta support myself, right? Because if I don't believe in myself, how am I supposed to believe that anybody else will believe in me? So I'm gonna start wearing some of the Ron's Rides merch as well. But hopefully you guys find something there. Just another way for you guys to be part of the Ron's Rides fam. We're becoming a big family and a big community here on the channel, so I wanted a way to unite us, and this is how I'm gonna do it the best way that I can possible. I don't feel obligated to get anything. If you don't like any of the styles, it's okay. If you still want to support the channel, I do have a one-time donation through PayPal where you can just donate $1, $2. If you do, thank you so much. I appreciate all of your support. Now with that said, you always got to check the links for the RonsRides social media pages. So if you guys aren't following me already, seeing my car snaps, my car memes, videos, stuff like that, definitely follow that for my social media accounts as well. I do a lot of communicating with you guys on there as well. Also, you guys subscribe for more RonsRides videos and click that notification bell so you can get them right into your inbox as they're ready. Now with that said, guys, we will talk to you the next one. Thank you so much for your support on the merchandise. I'm hoping that, some people will get it out to them and start posting pictures with them, or just, enjoying them as I hope to enjoy them as well, and really bring our community together. But thank you so much. I appreciate everybody who suggested it, and hopefully we do pretty well. But thank you. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Appreciate you spending your time with me today, and we will talk to you then. Be safe. Peace.